Thomas has been doing this a while. Ryan's been doing it off and on for about a year. They both like to take a lot of punches. Thomas, get better though. He's harder to hit all of a sudden.
I know he wasn't last time I lost him. He was a lot quicker too. He was like off in that box and step like, let's go.
Yeah, remember, we just took a warm-up round. Neither one of us is going hard. When you're old like me, you can't go hard the first round. You fall apart. Good. You going straight in and out, Ryan? You need to go side to side, work some angles.
Yeah, not too.
Yeah. You want to go there, Mom?
I don't want to go through there yet.
Huh?
I don't want to go through there yet. Not all in the whole thing.
That's all right. You're all right.
I know it's enough.
Gary say your thing leg kicks hurt. Is that leg?
That was leg. Sorry, I've been trying to practice with Judd and Andrew.
Knocked out by a leg kick.
TKO. What?
Ground and pound, Tom. Ground and pound. Man down. Stop the video. That's perfect.